Mary, the customer is still here. She wants more photos.
More? We already took 50 photos of her food.
I know. She says the light is not perfect.
The light is fine. The problem is she cannot choose.
She moved the plate 3 times already.
And she asked me to change the flowers on the table.
Now she wants a photo with the chef.
The chef is busy. We have other tables waiting.
What do we do?
I will talk to her. We need to be polite but firm.
Good idea. We cannot stop the whole restaurant for one photo.
Excuse me, miss. We are happy to help, but our kitchen needs to work now.
We can take one last photo, a beautiful one, our best angle.
The window table has great light right now.
Perfect. Let's move her there quickly.
Done. She loved it. She is finally leaving.
Great work, Mary. You were very calm.
In a restaurant, patience is part of the job.